It's April 1st. You're gonna wake up, realize there are many pranks on April Fool's Day. However, what if April Fool's Day once went too far and created lots of panic and devastation across the country? Today, you'll find that out in this EAS scenario for April Fool's Day. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Virginia State Police. Many people have reported to have died because of falling into the roads. It is unknown what the cause is as of this time, and police will be looking into the situation. For now, please remain tuned. The fork. This is the San Diego State Police with a local area emergency. Many highways across San Diego County have reported to have open gaps in the area, and People have already died from this situation. This has also been reported in other places that have underground tunnels beneath those areas. We will update you once available. Oh yeah, honey. Too lazy to write. 3 hours later, San Francisco, California. This is KCBS reporting a bomb threat for Sonoma County. If you are currently in Sonoma County, please shelter in place immediately. Close all doors and windows. Turn off all fireplaces and dampers. Please remain tuned to KCBS AM or any other station that relays emergency alerts in your area for further information. 1 hour later. This is KCBS reporting an update about the bomb threat for Sonoma County. The bomb threat is now cleared. It has turned out to be a full-on rumor. However, people have reported open gaps in places such as roads. Not just that, but there are... Hold on. Spit on my screen. It's hard. And people are threatening others with stuff that isn't actually happening. Yeah, sorry, we have technical difficulties there. But yeah, please remain tuned to KCBS AM for further information, in case there is some. However, the pranks go too far. Baltimore, Maryland. 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hold on. 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, my bad. This is when it really kicked in. Gonna have to wait for a bit. practice, we're gonna rush through it. Please stand by for a message from the United States President. Boop. My fellow Americans, lots of traps have been occurring throughout the nation. It is unknown when this will end, but already tens of millions of deaths have been reported due to this. This includes major gaps in roadways, abductions, deaths, false alarms, and false threats and other stuff. Please remain cautious at all times, and if you really need to, which we really recommend, shelter in place. This concludes the message from the United States President. Please remain tuned to your local primary or primary entry point EAS station for further updates. The next day, it was all gone. The traps and all the other stuff. Millions of people were arrested and killed, along with being executed for some of them have caused mass death scenario. It is unknown when the United States will recover, but they are free from the traps. Hold on.